The love of bees was there since I was a kid. My granddad had bees, and I grew up with this. There's strong memories of the lime trees and bees and hot summers. That was always in me. And as soon as I kind of settled in a new forest, I thought, yeah, that's the time to have my own bees. And I started with 2 hives in Brockenhurst. That was, I think, 2013, yeah. You know, it was new to everyone. As soon as we actually extracted the first honey, I think that's where the idea grew. And it's like, all right, yeah, we can make our own honey. You know, we've got our, we grow our own food, we've got our animals. The bees was just one of these puzzle pieces which fit perfectly. But as soon as we had a taste of honey, it was like, right, yes, we can do it. So the first hives were at the peak in Brockenhurst. Then we had hives at the peak on the beach. And at the same time, we had the hives at the peak near Bath. And that was actually it then. And then we opened more hotels, and with each hotel, with each kitchen garden, we were adding actually hives as we open hotels. It's naturally expanding because that's the nature of bees as well. Yes, we'll definitely expand this year, and then with a new additional hotels, we'll have more hives.
I'm trying to find the queen. I'm trying to see how good she's laying. This is a drone cell, and this is a worker cell. So that's the difference between one another. So because the drone is larger in size, so they need a little bit more space, and that is why the cells are slightly larger. She's here and she's not painted, so it's good. We can actually do this. We can paint her. So this is the queen. So what they're going to do is try to paint her, so we're going to be able to find her easily. So I grab the queen as gentle as possible and hold it in between my fingers and do a little dot on the top. Leave to dry, and then we put her back. So it will be easier to spot next time. And that's that.
Honey is made by bees. Now, worker bees bring nectar from flowers to the hive, and then they pass on from one to another to mix it with the stomach enzymes. And as soon as they make a decision when is it okay to go back in, they put it in the cells made out of wax. As soon as they're happy with it, they seal it, and that's when we know the honey is ready to be harvested. So the whole process of extraction, we bring sealed frames full of honey to the bee hub, and we have an extraction room when we spin it. Last year we extracted just over 2 tons of honey, but from all the hotels. So the honey tastes different at different locations, at different time of the year. It all depends on what's around, what flowers are in bloom at that time. So sometimes you can, at the same time, from the same April, you can have different looking, different tasting jars of honey. So we have lighter honeys. Summer runny honey is the best to spin. In New Forest and the pig on the beach, we have heather. And heather honey is jelly consistency and is heavier, darker in flavor. We will actually put a little batch with a place where it comes from and time of the year when it comes from. So then you can really see the difference in between different hotels, different time of the year, different flavors.